Hey everyone, John from Product Clash here, and today we're looking at the Fanttik E1 Max 3.7 volt mini electric screwdriver. So with its precision torque, versatile bits, and powerful battery, this tool is basically a must-have for all of your repair needs, so let's check it out. This screwdriver basically offers high and low torque settings ranging anywhere from 0.2 Newton meters to about 0.05 Newton meters on the low setting, but then also about 3 Newton meters on the high setting. So this is extremely useful when it comes to delicate measures such as watches, drones, laptops, keyboards, you name it. Inside, the housing structure includes about 50 bits in 9 different categories of screws, ensuring that you're prepared for a variety of different repair jobs. The case itself is magnetic, and so what I mean by that is that these magnetic bits are basically magnetically housed within the housing shelf, as you can see here. Notice how it doesn't fall off, and then when I place it back in, it basically locks back in place. So there's about 50 different bits, and you can see all the different ones they have over here. The screwdriver itself is rechargeable, as you can see over here. It plugs in via USB-C, which they do provide. How it works is that when you're done with the screwdriver, you simply place it in within its magnetic housing, just like this. And then on the back portion here is where you actually recharge it. The long-lasting battery can basically handle about 400 screws on a full charge with a maximum speed of about 200 RPMs. The comprehensive tool set which this provides, in addition to this magnetic housing kit, just basically makes this versatile when it comes to a variety of different jobs, and also makes it sure that you don't lose any of the screw bits, which has been a problem in previous cases with other screwdrivers of mine. It locks into place, so when I need it, I simply just pop it out and pull it out just like that. This screwdriver makes it super easy for a variety of different tasks, and with this comprehensive tool set, you are going to be able to have a variety of different tasks handled for you. Me personally, I was planning to use this, and I have used this for mostly electronic repairs, so thinking about like my phone, tablet, camera, you name it. But even so, you could also use it for small appliances. Think about common household appliances like your rice cooker, various stove appliances or kitchen countertop appliances, blenders even. Other people, like my brother, they've actually used this to repair jewelry. So it actually does handle delicate tasks such as watch repairs. That's pretty much it for this Fanttik E1 magnetic electric screwdriver. What I really like about it is mainly the housing kit, which allows you to not lose any screw bits. It is rechargeable, as you see here. The screwdriver itself, it's super easy to use. It's compact, and so this has become an essential as far as my toolkits go within the house. This is an excellent addition to any toolkit, and so if you found this video helpful, do give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Consider subscribing to the channel for more product reviews like this.